Okay, guys. So this was sitting outside, unprotected, out of the transmission on the drive shaft. Whatever. To make a long story short, this got left outside for a year, and it's very rusty. And I know I could polish that off on the outside, but I can't get all the rust off the splines on the inside. So we're going to soak it in vinegar for a couple days. All right, so this has been in here 24 hours. Let's have a look. It's bubbling and fizzing. So let's pull this out real quick. Oh, we're getting some results. I can see them already. And then we're going to give this thing a wipe down too. And then I'm going to put some fresh fluid in, or some fresh vinegar in here. Yeah, just poured a bunch of crap out. Oh yeah. As you can see, just trying to get some results. Yeah, a lot of that wipes right off now. All right, we got some fresh vinegar in there. You can see it doing its job. I think by tomorrow this thing's gonna be just squeaky clean. All right, she's still a booblin'. It's been out here for 3 days. I can't imagine there's any more rust here, so don't want to leave it in any longer than it needs to be. Yeah, that's it's pretty well clean as a whistle now. All right, so here it is. Blew it, air dried it, and yeah, I got all the rust off of this thing for the most part. Just a little teeny weensy bit left here and there. This whole thing's going to rust again anyway because it's just exposed, and I don't feel like trying to paint it or anything. But the inside's rust free now. Should get some good light in there for you. Here, try a little harder. Anyway, no more rust inside of there. That's a good thing. No more rust out here. It's still got the rough surface from being, you know, having a little bit of rust on her. So we're going to doll it up now.